give up until we see a diplomatic solution between the US and Iran. This needs to reach to an agreement. It will be basically entirely contaminated. We have run this exercise of risk in the country a few years ago before we built our reservoirs. We had the water that we use for our people is from desalination, and we don't have rivers. We don't have water reserves, and basically the country would run out of water in 3 days.
And that's going to be the next thing you'll be talking about is Iran. What's going to happen with Iran? And there'll be some interesting days ahead. That's all I can tell you. You know, we're down to final strokes with Iran. That's going to be an interesting time. And we'll see what happens. But we're down to the final moments. We're at final moments. Can't let them have a nuclear weapon. I think that I would have had a deal within 1 month after the rigged election of 2020. They were all set to make a deal. And then when I lost, they saw this person who's a stupid person, very stupid person. And they said, let's not make a deal. And they were right. He took the sanctions off. They became rich under Biden. They went from having no money to having $300 billion.